All right, so we're going to start Sashi out on our first treatment, chiropractic treatment. We're going to loosen up the paravertebral muscles, the glute, to help take some stress off the low back. And then we'll work on the traps, upper back, to allow the back to loosen up. And then we're also going to turn on the flexion distraction to open up the disc spaces and stretch the low back out and loosen those muscles up. Now we're stop the traction. So we're going to check the pelvis. See where there's restriction, a little restriction on the right side. Check the leg length here, just bend the knees, good. Restricted there. Ooh, some good knots up in here in the trigger points and the traps. Take a deep breath. Yeah, blow it out. Let it go. Upper thoracic, cervical traction. There we go. This way. Take a deep breath. Pull it out. Slide down to take a deep breath. Pull it out. Let it go. Thank you. Survived your first treatment.
Thank you.